Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your PrizePicks account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what you're going to be doing is you're simply going to go ahead and first of all access the PrizePicks official website for the instruction, or you can just watch the video till the end. So here we go. So first thing first, you can simply delete your account if you choose not to play it anymore. So for that, what you're going to be doing is you're going to opening up your app, simply sign in afterwards, then simply navigate to the settings page using the menu on top left corner of the app. And if you're using the web browser, the menu will be in top right corner. Just either way, you have to access settings of your account. From there, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page and select delete account, which will be highlighted in red letters. If you decide to give PrizePicks, then it will simply ask you to simply reconfirm deleting account, and your account will be deleted. But you have to make sure for a time being, do not try to sign in. You might be able to access your account and reactivate as well, but leave it. So afterwards, once you have reconfirmed, your account will be deleted permanently and you're good to go. Now you can try this to as many accounts as you want, and again after deleting you can make a new account as well for the PrizePicks, or you can join afterwards, or you can simply choose to reset the password and recover your account as well. That's the steps to delete the account permanently. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.